Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her shoulders. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, Three little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her knee. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, Two little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her toe. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, One little monkey jumping on the bed. She fell off and bumped her head. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said, Five little monkeys jumping on the bed. Five fell off and bumped her heads. Mommy called a doctor and the doctor said,